Hi, my name is Joe, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the Signagelive Marketplace and rank some of our most used apps from it. So stick around until the end to find out who has claimed the crown of the most downloaded Signagelive app. Our Signagelive Marketplace is home to a growing family of hundreds of apps, from weather apps to menu boards to clocks and calendars. These apps allow you to do even more with your digital signage, and the concept is simple. Choose an app that you'd like to use, add it to your Signagelive network, and then you can begin deploying this to your players. Each app offers editable properties, which allow you to take control and make the content unique to your Signagelive network. Let's take the Google Slides app, for example. Let's say you had a company slideshow uploaded to Google Slides. You'd grab the URL of your presentation and add it to the app and then deploy this to your player. The beauty of this is that you can use apps in both layouts and playlists, so you can enhance your digital signage by combining apps alongside your other content on your screens. All of the apps on our Signagelive Marketplace are free to add to your Signagelive network, but you'll notice a paid label appear next to some of these apps. This usually signifies that this is a partner service integration that we have available, and you'll typically require a separate subscription to these services in order to use them. Take Power BI or SceneSpire, for example. Speaking of Power BI, if you have our data integrations module enabled on your network, then you'll also be able to make use of the various dashboard-centric apps that we have available, such as Power BI, Gecko Board, and SharePoint, to name a few. For more information on data integrations, please get in touch with our commercial team. So what apps are people using? We've pulled a report listing our most downloaded apps from our Signagelive Marketplace, and I'm going to share the top 5 with you right now. At number 5, we have our web page app. And this one does exactly what it says on the tin. You can use this app to display your chosen web pages on your Signagelive players. You can set the refresh rate and use the cropping tools to customize which area of your web page that you want to display. At number 4, we have the BBC News app, which allows you to display RSS feeds pulled straight from your chosen section of the BBC website. The app will cycle through the articles, allowing you to change the colour and the frequency at which these articles are displayed. At number 3, we have the YouTube app, which allows you to display individual videos or playlists directly from YouTube straight onto your Signagelive players. You'll also have control over the closed captions for the videos, the video looping, and you will have the ability to disable the related videos that pop up at the end too. At number 2, we have the Digital Clock app. And we have a large selection of different clocks in the marketplace. What's great about them is that they're small enough to fit comfortably into the corner of a layout alongside an array of other content. But you can also have these full screen in a playlist should you wish, and they will display the current time reported on your player. Crowning the number 1 spot with the most downloads, we have our weather apps. Arguably the app with the most variations too. The weather app allows you to display the weather forecast, and depending on which variant you're using, this could be just for today or for the coming 7 days. The weather data is displayed for your chosen location, which you can either input at player level or within the app itself. And there we have it, 5 apps that merely scratch the surface of what you can do when you're using apps from the Signagelive Marketplace. Head to the Signagelive Marketplace today to discover just how vast this collection is and take your digital signage to the next level. For any information on anything we've discussed today, please get in touch and we'd be more than happy to help. We'll see you on the next one.